So are you happy? That's what I see. Hey, so are you happy? We look. That's funny. That's you should be happy. Hey, baby. You guys, you see this big wheel thing here? This big wheel? I'm not doing it again. Last time I did it, oh my god, this was something else. So I'm not about to do it. Hey! Bye-bye! I'm not about doing this thing. No way. Look at them there. Look at them right there. I'm not about doing this. No, it can't be me. So that is them up there. And then say her daddy and something. I am not about doing this. You see this big wheel? This big wheel? This big wheel? I'm not doing that. No, not for anything. You guys should have fun. You guys should have fun up there. It can never be me again. When I don't finish. Yeah. Sasa. One mother there. It was good. It was good.
Riders, please sit back. Heads up, here we go.
Did you want to do the eyes roll? That's all. Did you want to do that one? Can you stay alone? Oh yeah. Are you ready? Hold on tight. Woo! Here we go. Woohoo! Hey. Here we go. Woohoo! Open up the foot, You do like this, please. Do like this. there are different places to buy. Like I want to buy token now, so I can pay here and buy some token. Hello, I want to buy token. £1 per token. Yeah, I need like 20. Yeah, that's £20, yeah? So yeah, I got 20. So yeah, I have 20 tokens here for £20, £1 per token. There you go, girl. Which one do you want to do next? We've got tokens. Go in, Abba. 20. Mama, hold on, don't leave me. Oh, sorry, love. Be careful, careful, okay? Oh my goodness. Who sent me inside this thing? I'm too scared to get down. Ah. Oh my goodness. Did you want us to enter? You want to enter the ghost train?
Go on, try it!
just babe, no. Baby, you will that one no too. Baby, I saw that the two that Did you have fun? Are you sure? Which was the scariest? Which one scared you most? Put your seatbelt.
Okay.
Which one? So put your seatbelt.
Let me tell you which one was scary. The spooky one in the gates.
Yeah, that one that we entered inside the ghost house, yeah?
Yes.
Ghost train.
It was screaming.
Yes, I was screaming. So are you screaming? Hi guys, welcome back again to the channel. It's still your favorite person, Cindy CJ. I didn't introduce this vlog before we left. Yeah, so we just left the Newport Winter Wonderland. You guys, we had fun. I mean, the kids, they had fun. It was just the ghost train that scared a daisy. Trust me guys, that thing was scary. I mean, at some point I just closed my eyes because the shouting, the horror things in there, it was really scary. But regardless, we had a good time. It was fun, and we are happy we came here. Yeah, the kids, they are happy because they've been talking about it like, mommy, they want to go to Winter Wonderland. We are happy we brought them here and they had fun. So we are heading home now. Do well to like this video, share and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next one.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
Mom, I'm going to cook like you.
These parallel dimensions all alone. Now I'll find you in my dreams.
Hi. This one say hello. This one is so cute.
I know where we're going.
We're going out. Hey.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, now I'll find you in my dreams.
ìyàwó ìyá ìyàwó sọ jẹ fún wa.
No, me I like for people.
Make I do am, make I. Yeah, I want.
But I na this is hot.
Just now, this one.
They chop am as e dey hot.